Hi everyone, it's Kathie Ryan here in Bundaberg, Queensland, and I'm just trying to get you straight. I think you can see that. Okay, so you see before you a 12 by 16 inch or 30 by 40 centimetre canvas, which has got nothing on it, nice and new. And no, I didn't tape the back. I usually do, but I didn't this time. I've been commissioned to do rather a large, in fact a very large painting, and I've been thinking about the background, and the people want the background to be pastel. So I've got green, yellow, blue, pink and orange and mauve, and they're all but the red. I'll get back to the pink. I've added white to each of them to make them a bit more pastel-y looking. I have white for the back base coat and the swipe. The white and the red are splash acrylic, which is a different brand to what probably most of you use. The rest of them, however, are Montmartre, and each of the colours except the white have OGX. And I'm just going to do a swipe. I have plenty of plastic down. I'm inside, it's raining, and I didn't want to get paint all over my daughter's glass top table. She's a bit funny that way. So I'm going to just put the white on any which way, but you know, and I might just do this because I'm going to swipe. It only needs to sort of cover the canvas. It doesn't have to be smooth and beautiful. I'm so glad I put that plastic down. I'm already slopping. I've got to be the sloppiest person around, I think. All right. So I'm just going to go and rinse my hands off. The beauty of being inside is I can just rinse my hands off. It's really cool. Okay, I won't be a second. 14. And over here. So you probably heard that tap going, warning there. That tap is connected to a pipe that goes straight out onto the back garden, and by no means would you ever put any of this acrylic paint down the pipes at your house, like in your bathroom or somewhere. I don't even do that here. It will clog up. I don't care what people say. It does end up, and it will make a hell of a mess, and you will then spend half a year or more probably trying to find a plumber, and you will need to replace all of your pipes. So there you go, now you know. So just their favourite colour apparently is pink. So I thought I might put it through the middle. Okay, that's the pink. Oh, I hope I don't get this coffee mixed up with it. It's nearly cold. And some mauve. Now, did I say that they all had OGX? I think they did. I just hope this turns out nice. I decided to do one of these little ones for the background simply because I didn't want to mess the big canvas. The big fella's going to cost a penny, so it's better if I practice first, I thought. I'm hoping for some nice cells. There's some orange. Oops, that might have been a bit much. There's a link below the video to my Facebook group, which is Australia Art Dreaming, and you're more than welcome, green, to come and join us over there. Be nice to have your company. Have I got them all on? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yellow. Some yellow around like this. Okay, so maybe a bit of pink along here too. And here. Yeah, that is plenty, I'd say. More than enough. So now my little swipe colour goes on, and I'm wondering if I should do a centre swipe. You know, I think I will, just to see how this goes. Okay. Oh, how cool is that? And then just the other side, so as not to waste all those lovely colours. Ooh, air bubbles. Okay. Wow, that is really pretty. I'm just folding up this, put it in the bin. Excuse me. And I think now what I might do before I go any further is give it a little torch, because as I said, air bubbles, have rather a few of those. Might have to dab a bit along here just to make sure my corners are done, and I'll just use the paint that's already dripped off, because it's very pretty underneath as well. I think I've got it all. Right. Now, just wipe that off. I did want more pink, so what I might do here is this. there, and then I'll get this little piece of plastic. Where did I throw it? Cellophane, whatever you want to call it. And just I'm going to tilt it because I do have, just leave that there, I might come back to that. How much paint have I got on there? Back to the middle. Okay, I'm impressed. Not quite the middle, is it? That's better. I'll put my hands again, and oh yes. That wiggle line has to do something. Let's have some more pink in here. I don't have to worry too much about this because the second lot of this technique, the centre's going to be basically covered, but I'd still like it pretty to begin with. And I'm happy now. Yes, very nice, and hopefully those people, when I show them this, will think that's lovely as well. Here comes the fire brigade. I'm going to give it another little torch because I've been moving it around a bit. That's an emergency. Come here. Got some patches coming on. Okay, that's got those. Oops, there's another one. Goodness. I have to just check these corners before I bring you down to have a look. Yeah, I know, Mrs. Barker. It's a worry. Yes, I'm going to turn this around so I can see it. Hello, darling. Slippery. Oh yes, there's a couple of patches I've missed. No barking, please. Alright, so I'm very happy here with this as a background, and I'll bring you down now to have a look. See what you think of it. I think it's really pretty. So the recipes for the paints and the pouring medium you'll find down below under Show More. There's also a link there to my Facebook group, which is Australia Art Dreaming, and what else? I think that's about all. If you haven't already subscribed, please do, and click the little bell and you'll be notified then as I put up more videos into YouTube. And please give this one a thumbs up. I'll tell you all of this again in a minute after I do the spirals. But for now, a week or so for me and a blink of an eye for you, I'll be back. Bye.